Off to get some mud crabs. Let's see what happens today. Lockie, just went in his hole. Oh, it's a big boy. There he goes, big buck. Nice one.
Yeah.
Phew. Big muddy. By hand.
Oh, feisty. How you going? Are you okay?
Oh, got a muddy. Might be a little Jenny. See if I can grab her out. Uh-oh.
I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, help. Shark.
Yep.
Cast has been on the boil. Crab meat, bit of prawn meat. To the pan. Wine sauce ready. Look at that. Look at that.